Myself, Nabendu Bhattacharjee. I am the regional head for LG Electronics South 1. I take care of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Today morning we came here for the inauguration of Adishwar's 34th showroom. This showroom is one of the leading showroom in this entire city, apart from lot of existing trade partners. Adishwar happened to be one of our very near and dear trade partner, doing big business with us in Bangalore. He has almost 25-26 showrooms in Bangalore, and now he started expanding his showrooms in Chennai. From Chennai he has moved to Hyderabad also, and Hyderabad, this is his 6th showroom, and by evening he is going to open up one. From this particular showroom we are expecting a business of at least 50 to 60 lakhs rupees per month. As far as LG is concerned, with Adishwar happened to be one of our very dominant trade partners. We do monthly around 5 crore turnover with Adishwar, and with the expansion of these showrooms we expect some more business to happen. It can go up to a level of 7 to 8 crore per month. And some more showrooms we are looking forward for Adishwar, and we wish him all the best for his new venture, and we can expect that we will be getting all supports from him, as well as we are also committed to provide all supports to him in all his new ventures. And during his coming to Hyderabad, we can expect few product categories where the major incremental sale will come. One of the leading product category is going to be LCD, where he has a major dominance in all his showrooms, and he has given an extremely good display for all the leading brands. LG happened to be one of the leading brand in his showroom. We can expect a very big sale coming up from Adishwar. We are coming up with brand shops also, a lot of. At present we have around 5 brand shops available in Hyderabad. Today we are going to open up 2 more, and we have further planned to extend another 2 by the end of this year, which we have also finalized. All over India we are in a process of expanding brand shop. In AP, day before yesterday in Vijayawada also I have opened up one more brand shop. It's around 3,500 square feet. So brand shop expansion is one more new area where we are putting a lot of focus and spending a lot of money towards it, where our brand visibility in all the major cities will definitely improve. Along with that, customers will get a very good experience also whenever visiting those stores. Those stores are very unique in terms of its size. All the stores are having a synergy in terms of the interior as well as the exterior design. And customers can come and feel, hear and experience the excellent new range of LG products there itself. We are already having a tie-up with Bajaj Finance for most of our product categories in terms of finance scheme, installment facility for the consumers. As and when the new stores are coming up, we are having special scheme like 10x2, 24x4 for a lot of our expensive products, for like LCD, Deos kind of products, where these schemes are becoming very, very attractive, where company is taking care of all the loads. These are all nil finance scheme, where like nil buy downs, nil like interest free scheme for the customers, where customers can have zero interest. They can not even have any buy down for the same, and these are very attractive and boosting our sale also to a large extent for products like LCD. Thank you.